Need clean, working Python examples for any concept, without writing them yourself or managing external APIs. You'll see how to build a FastMCP tool that dynamically generates code snippets on demand, using the client's LLM to produce concise, ready-to-use examples with just a concept name as input. The pattern handles everything from formatting to token limits, so you get executable code blocks every time.
At MCP, tool. Async def generate code example concept. SDR CTX context. SDR. Generate a Python code example for a given concept. Response equals await CTX. Sample. Messages equals F. Write a simple Python code example demonstrating. Concept. System prompt equals you are an expert Python programmer. Provide concise, working code examples without explanations. Temperature equals 0, 7. Max tokens equals 300. Code example equals response text. Return F, Python \encode example \n.
This demonstrates the LLM delegation pattern, where complex natural language tasks are offloaded to a language model through a clean abstraction layer. The concept revolves around treating LLM interactions as a service dependency, accessed via a standardized interface rather than direct API calls. What makes this distinctive is how it maintains separation between your business logic and the LLM implementation, allowing either client-provided or server-configured models to fulfill requests transparently. The pattern works by encapsulating LLM sampling behind a context object that handles routing, fallback logic, and response normalization. Your tool declares what it needs, a code example, analysis, etc., through structured prompts, while the framework manages where and how that request executes. This creates a declarative workflow where tools focus on intent rather than execution details, with the system automatically handling model selection, error cases, and client compatibility. This approach solves the problem of LLM integration complexity by providing a consistent interface regardless of model provider or client capabilities. It enables tools to leverage AI capabilities without hard-coding dependencies, making them portable across different LLM backends. The trade-off is slightly reduced control over low-level sampling parameters, but the benefit is dramatically simplified maintenance and client compatibility, ideal for multi-tenant systems or tools that need to work across diverse LLM environments. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP, tool. Async def generate code example concept. SDR CTX context. SDR. Generate a Python code example for a given concept.
This defines an AI callable tool using the @MCP tool decorator. The function takes a programming concept as input and returns a formatted code example, with FastMCP's context parameter handling logging and progress tracking. The docstring becomes the tool's schema, enabling AI discovery and usage.
Response equals await CTX. Sample.
This invokes the FastMCP context sampling method, which handles the actual AI model interaction. The await is required because sampling is an async operation, and this pattern ensures non-blocking execution while waiting for the model's response. All AI tool functions should use this context-based sampling approach for consistency and proper request tracking.
Messages equals F. Write a simple Python code example demonstrating. Concept.
This defines the AI prompt that generates the code example. The F string dynamically inserts the requested concept, ensuring the AI receives clear, specific instructions for each request.
System prompt equals you are an expert Python programmer. Provide concise, working code examples without explanations.
This system prompt constrains the AI's output to pure, executable Python code without commentary. It defeats the common problem of AI-generated examples, including unnecessary explanations or non-code text, ensuring the response is immediately usable in a Python environment.
Temperature equals 0, 7.
Controls output randomness in AI responses. A value of 0.7 balances creativity and predictability, preventing responses that are either too rigid or too chaotic. This is the standard setting for code generation tasks where you want reliable but not overly deterministic results.
Max tokens equals 300.
This limits the AI response to 300 tokens, preventing excessively long outputs while ensuring concise, focused code examples. The token count acts as a hard cutoff, guaranteeing predictable response sizes for consistent formatting. This closing parenthesis terminates the CTX, sample, call, finalizing the AI request configuration. It packages all parameters, prompt, system message, temperature, and token limit into a single API call for code generation.
Code example equals response text.
This extracts the raw text response from the AI model. The response text property contains the generated Python code example, which we then format for display in the next step.
Return F, Python \encode example \n.
This formats the raw code as a markdown code block with Python syntax highlighting. The triple backticks with Python annotation ensure proper rendering in documentation, chat interfaces, and IDEs that support Markdown, while preserving the original code structure exactly as generated. FastMCP tool generation pattern. This example demonstrates dynamic code generation through FastMCP's sampling interface, where a tool becomes a factory for other tools by producing executable examples on demand. The temperature parameter balances creativity and determinism, 2 high risks invalid syntax, 2 low sacrifices useful variation. Always validate generated code before execution, even when using constrained prompts.
The tool that writes tools never runs itself. Yet, every tool it writes will run.